Hello friends, let's solve question number 10. Construct a triangle of sides 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters and 6 centimeters. Then construct a triangle similar to it whose sides are 2 by 3 of the corresponding sides of first triangle. So here first we have to construct a triangle of these three sides. That is what they asked us to construct primary. After that they have given the 2 by 3 means what? It is scale factor. Write the same thing. Scale factor equals to 2 by 3. As I already explained you in the previous question that this denominator value is nothing but present triangle. This is required to be constructed triangle. Numerator value depicts that it's to be constructed. So here denominator value means it's of the present triangle. First let us construct a triangle with these three sides. So here just I'll explain you a small logic. So here denominator is 3. Just try to make a base of the triangle with the 3 multiple. Okay, here 3 multiple is 6 is there. So here what do I do? For the triangle base I will take it as 6 centimeters directly. Let's do that. See here the base is 6 centimeters. Clear? I have taken the base as 6 centimeters. Now let me name that base as BC. Okay. So BC has 6 centimeters. After that what do I do? They have told that the remaining two sides are 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters. So here in the next step I will take 5 centimeters measurement on the scale, and from C point I will draw an arc. So let's see. Yeah. When you see here it's 4 centimeters, correct? See that? It's 4. Okay. Now from 4, I will take 4 centimeters and I will draw an arc from B. Let's do that now. 4 centimeters from B, I will draw 4 centimeters. You can take either, you can draw it from C also. But here I am drawing from B. After that, take 5 centimeters. One is 4 centimeters, other one is 5 centimeters, right? From the scale, take 5 centimeters length. Okay. See here, let's take 5 centimeters now. From 0 to 5. See, it's 5. Okay. Now from C, let's draw an arc so that it meets the arc drawn from B. So from here, let's draw an arc. Okay. So these two arcs got intersected at one point. So that is called the third vertex of the triangle. So put this as A. Now what do? I'll just join AB and AC so that the triangle ABC is formed. So that is the primary step they asked us to do. Let's join the points now. Triangle ABC is formed. Let's measure the measurements here. See, from 0 to here it's 4, correct? This is 0, 0. From B to A it's 4 centimeters, you can see. Yeah. So base we have taken as 6 already. Let's see the measurements from A to C. From A, this is A point to C. From A to C it is how much? It is 5. So let's write the same thing. Here it is 4 centimeters, it is 5 centimeters. After that what will be the next step? I told you that we have to draw a ray from B. Draw a ray BX such that that ray makes an acute angle with BC opposite to the vertex A. Correct? So here making vertex acute angle with BC means what? Here Let's take the protractor, put it here. When you put here on the point B, so acute angle means less than 90 degrees. Now let's take any angle, whatever it may be. Here I will take 40. Let acute angle here equals to 40 degrees. Let's plot the point 40 degrees and draw a ray. Okay. See here. We have to see here 40 means the point will be coming here. Let's plot the point now. Write 40 here. See here the line is straight. Now let's make the point for 40. Carefully. The point will be here. You can see again, measure it. See it? Yeah. The line is 40 degrees, correct? See here 40 degrees, point is correct. Now just draw a ray. Okay. See here I have drawn the ray B. Let it be X. So the ray will be, the ray is of name BX. Let's see whether the angle is 40 or not. Yes, it's 40, right? Yes. After drawing a ray, what should we do? The next step is we have to plot the points on the ray BX. On the BX, we have to plot how many points here? When you see the scale factor, it is 2/3. So the bigger number is 3. So you have to plot 3 points on the ray BX. So here should be equidistant means I am taking exact measurements. So I will take each point at 1 centimeter distance. Okay. So the first point you will get here, second point here, third point here. Draw the points first. Yeah, I have located 3 points. Let us name them as what? B1. This is B1. This is B2. This is B3. After that, in the next step, what should we do? We have to join a line from which point? I told you that the numerator is present triangle. So from B3 to C, because denominator is present triangle. So from denominator it is 3, right? So from 3, B3 to C. Let us draw the line first. You can see here, after drawing the line here B3C, I am measuring the angle at which B3C is drawn. So when you see in the figure closely, just make the line straight. Put the protractor straight. So when you see, it's around 71 or 72. Let me see here perfectly. So you can see it is 71 or 72. Let me take here the perfect value by seeing it keenly. Yes, it is 72. Okay, 72 it is. So put the value here, it is 72 degrees. So in the next step, what we have to do? To construct the required triangle, we have to draw a line parallel to B3C from the second point, since the numerator value is the required triangle, right? So from B2, making an angle 72 degrees, plot the point, put a protractor here. See where do we get 72? Put the protractor straight. Let's see, 72 will be this. Okay. Now what we have to do? From B2, making, I have plotted the point here, right? So from B2 to, see that these 2 points are equal. From B2, draw a line till BC such that this line meets BC at C dash. Do that now. Yes. So here from B2 I have drawn a line parallel to B3C. Parallel means what? It should make same angle. So let this line intersect BC at C dash. Okay. Let's write that point as C dash. I have plotted that point as C dash. After that, what we have to do next step is C, from C to A and BC and CA. Let's see what is the angle formed at angle C. What is the angle formed at point C? What is that angle? Let's see clearly. It's 41, correct? See here, it's 41. The angle formed here, it is 41. Let's write it as 41 here. Now from C dash, put the same angle 41 and place that point. So 41 means, see here, the line is straight. So the 41 will be C dash to 41. It will be here. After that, after putting same again, draw a line from C dash such that this line meets AB at A dash with the same angle 41. Let's draw that. See here, the angle here from C dash, the angle, it's 41 degrees only, correct? Yeah. See, it's 41. From here, I have drawn a line from C dash such that this line meets AB at A dash. So now A dash, B, C dash is the required triangle that we have to find out at last. So the required triangle is drawn, which is 2/3 of the corresponding sides of first triangle. So like for explanation, I'm telling 4 centimeters into 2, 3. Again 5 centimeters into 2 by 3. 6 centimeters into 2 by 3. So let's see what do we get. So 4 into 2, it is 8 by 3. It means 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. 2.67 you will get. The same way 10 by 3, it means 3.33. 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 twos are, it is 4. So the required triangle dimensions should be 2.67, 3.33 and 4. Let's see whether we got the correct values or not. So at 6 we should get 4. Let's see. At 6 we got 4, right? See, yeah, it's 4. So 6 is correct. So again at 5 it should be 3.33. Let's see. From A dash, correct, it should be 3.33. So yeah, it's more than 3.3 and in between 3.3 and 3.4, it means 3.33. After that, at 4 centimeters it should be 2.67. 4 centimeters, it's, yeah, see here, it's closely you are getting same thing, correct? See 2.67 you are getting now. Yeah, so here the dimensions for the A dash, B, C dash are correct. That are 2/3 of the dimensions of the first triangle. So this is how we construct the triangle A dash, B, C dash. Now let's write the construction steps. Construction steps. First step, what did we do? Construct triangle ABC with the base 6 centimeters, BC as 6 centimeters and draw from B of 4 centimeters an arc. We have drawn, right? After that, from C of 5 centimeters draw an arc. These two arcs intersect at point A, correct? So in this way triangle ABC is constructed. After that, what did we do? Draw a ray BX. Write the same thing whatever we did. Second step, draw a ray BX making an acute angle. We have assumed that the acute angle is 40. So here the angle formed will be 40 with BC on side opposite to vertex A. With BC on side opposite to vertex A. After that, what did we do? Locate 3 points B1, B2, B3 on BX on the ray BX such that B1 equals to B1, B2 equals to B2, B3. We have taken it as 1 centimeter, right? So till now it is written. After that, what did we do? Let's write. After that, what did I do? join B3C. Yes, right? We have joined B3C and draw a line through B2. Through B2. Why did we take B2? Because here the numerator is 2. So we have to take from B2 a line parallel to B3C. So here parallel, these two lines are parallel, and again these two lines are also parallel. Correct? So drawing a line parallel to the B3C means what? Making a line equal angle here. So here B3C angle will be 72 degrees. So here B2 makes an equal angle with BX. What? It should be 72 degrees, so that this line, what did we write here? B2 parallel to B3C intersecting BC at C dash. So this line intersects at C dash. After that, draw a line through C dash parallel to CA. From C dash we have to draw a line parallel to CA. For that, what did we do? We have measured angle AC here. What is the angle C we have measured? With the same angle, we have drawn a line here such that this line intersects CAB at A dash. Correct? So, parallel to CA to intersect AB at A dash. So, A dash B C dash is required triangle of. So, this triangle A dash B C dash is the required triangle. So, of measurements what? BC we have measured it as 4 and CA we have measured it as 3.33. This is CA, right? CA is 5 centimeters. We have measured it as 3.33 and the scale also we got the same thing. And DAB is, what did we get? We got 2.67. So here I have written the same thing of AB 2.67, BC 4 and CA 3.33 centimeters. So this is the solution. This is the solution here. So I hope you like this video. In case you feel that the video is a bit fast, reduce the playback speed and watch the video. So this is very important question. So I hope you like this video. In case you like the video, do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you.